That's right. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage and they come out driving.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Last night we had a tremendous rainstorm. I mean, just pouring for seemingly hours at a time. So it's really cooled off today. It's about 8:30 in the morning. And last night when I was walking boba, as you guys know, sometimes when I'm walking boba around garbage night, right, I see stuff around the neighborhood that people throw out. Such a wasteful society, because I see some good shit, you know what I mean? Last night I saw this and I just thought it was like an office chair that it was broken or something and somebody just threw it out. You guys see it all the time, you know? Then I took a good look at it and there's actually nothing wrong with it, you know? I mean, it's sort of pink, you know what I mean? But honestly, I don't care. It's a good condition, sort of like a Recaro racing seat for like a sports car or something, but made into an office chair. I think these are pretty expensive. Anyway, the only thing I can see is that there's a little dimple in here, you know. This also has like the footrest that comes out on the bottom, you know. Not that you'd be, you know, I guess you could, you know, sleep in it or whatever. But I figured I'd pick it up and bring it into the garage. As you know, yesterday, my mom gave me this like plastic patio furniture type table that you put together. Never used because she just never used it, you know. Anyway, so I put it up in the back over there. And it's, you know, lightweight. You can just move it around the garage if you want. And I thought to myself, maybe I'll just use it instead of throwing it away as a review table. You know, sometimes I do product reviews. And I'm always sitting on my baby chair, you know, with like a bin with a piece of wood over it as a table, you know. I figure I got 10,000 subscribers. I really should kind of modernize my review table and the display, you know. So I figure I'd keep the table, put it in the corner, like in the back over there, right? With the background drop of the Lucas Oil banners and stuff. And put my, you know, ring light there, and I could do like product reviews more comfortably and more semi-professionally looking, you know what I mean? And also I could clean my guns on it, and if I'm working on a mower or something like that, I could put parts there to assemble, maybe do carb cleans there, you know what I mean? So I think I might do that. So like the only thing I could see wrong with it, these things are designed to swivel, you know? They move in different positions. The only thing I can see is this thing is pushed in, you know what I mean? That's the only thing I could, I mean, I'll wipe it down with some, you know, sanitary wipes and stuff. But all the wheels are there. Seems to be in pretty new condition, hardly used, you know what I mean? Like I said, people throw away the, you know, coolest things sometimes, you know. I like it, you know? Other than it being, I mean, it's not exactly pink. It's more darker, you know, that new color. I forget what it is. But anyway, it's pretty cool. I'm going to wipe this down and clean it and see exactly what's wrong with it. But I don't really see anything wrong with it other than that. So I think I'll use this chair in the back over here. Like I said, I usually just have like a bin or a radio flyer cart and put a piece of plywood on there, and that's my table, you know what I mean? So kind of ghetto-like, you know what I'm saying? So I might just put the radio flyer in the backyard, you know, and I really have no business keeping 4 mowers here. I've got 2 Poulons, one self-propelled with no bag, and one's a push mower with a bag. The air conditioning unit I only used once this year, and I've got this whole corner here filled with boxes, empty boxes, because I eBay a lot, and you never know when you're going to need a box, you know, but honestly, I could just take 2 big boxes and just sort of fit the sizes, put all the boxes in 2 big boxes instead of having them all sprawled out like that. You know what I mean? It looks messy. There's a lot of space that I could save. I have all these old clothes that I rotate for my videos because I don't want to get my regular clothes dirty. So I have dirty clothes that I use to, you know, wear with the appropriate weather. You know, I've got coats, I've got sweatshirts, I've got hoodies, I've got
track pants, pajama pants, whatever, all crap that I don't wear, that I don't mind just dirtying up and throwing it away when I'm done, you know? So there's clothes and there's sheets and blankets all over. Just a mess, you know? And I have no business having this piece of junk here or that piece of junk here. These are just parts. I gotta put all this crap into the backyard, including the push mowers. Move the Blue Bayou over to where the boxes are. I'm gonna condense the boxes from 1,000 boxes into like 3 or 4 boxes and stack them up in a corner somewhere, right? Just to make it better. I have all these bins here that I thought I would use for parts. I've used a few, but you know, it's still plenty. I gotta put the air conditioner somewhere around here. I haven't used my Red Max all year because, well, we haven't had any leaves. I'm sure I'll be using it come this fall with all the leaves. All my skis are over here. It's just messy, you know. This is my generator. I don't use it unless I had to. This is the deck that I have that I just painted for the beige tractor outside. I didn't want to get it wet or dirty. So I'm gonna do, and of course I have this sitting here. Yesterday off camera, I grinded the rust over here, right? And just so I could at least be green, but I didn't have the right green. Like I said, it's tough to match this color. I think I'm just gonna mask this part off roundish like that. You guys could see sort of a profile of it being round there. I'm gonna mask that off and just paint this part black. You know what I mean? I sort of fixed the hole here by taking Gorilla Tape and just making like at least a structure instead of just a hole. I think I'll put a Lucas oil sticker like there. And that'll be good enough. So I'm gonna clean up this garage. Okay, have you guys seen anything like this? I mean, I just took out all the boxes alone, right? And look, it's filling up like half my garage. I mean, I actually have a hoarding problem, I think. I need to just get rid of the boxes, don't you think? Because seriously, do I need this amount of boxes? I don't. Look how much room it cleared up. This entire corner is clear now because those boxes are gone. Incredible. Yeah, man. I gotta just let go and throw it away. Look at this pile of clothes. It's ridiculous. Where am I gonna put all this stuff? Okay, in my second hour of cleaning it up, I got all the boxes kind of piled in, consolidated, so I can just throw them out. I wish today was the day before garbage day, but it isn't, or recycling day, whatever. So I cleared out this area here. I know, it still looks messy. But got rid of some stuff over there. Let's see if you long-time subscribers can recognize what I threw out there. Yeah, that's right. This is the grill that I made for my old Craftsman LTV10 tractor. One of my first tractors I did. I made a whatever. I made something that was supposed to be on the, that was initially on the Rodimus Prime, but I never ended up using it. So it's been hanging on my wall for years. I'm just gonna throw it away. This is one of the first riding mowers I got, RX75 John Deere riding mower. I took the shifter control panels off so I can sell them, but it's been hanging on my wall for 3 years. Never touched it, had it listed, nobody wants it. I'm just gonna throw it away. Oh my God, throw it away. Can you believe it? I'm gonna put all these boxes on the side of my house along with that thing. I'm gonna blow out my garage with its dust. I'm gonna try to move my tractor a little bit more to the left here in that space. I need those 2 Lucas Oil boxes because I got all my hats in there. I got a lot of hats, and this is packing material that I need, you know, soft stuff like bubble wrap and all that shit. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about my old clothes. I got lots of bins here for my parts in the future. It's a process, you know what I'm saying? But I'm making headway for sure. All right, finally pretty much done. Look at all the space I have. I had this old carpet that's from my daughter's room. Boba pooed on it, so she didn't want it. I'll just put it in the garage, you know what I mean? Like a real studio now, man. I can do my reviews here. My tripod, my ring light. Nice. Man, it's so refreshing to see so much room in the garage, huh? Look at that. Cool. Oh, I do have to put this tractor in there too. Pretty good. This is for recycling and garbage day. Can you believe I kept all those boxes, man? Crazy. So there it is. I got like a studio now. Amazing. Thanks a lot for joining me on my garage cleanup day and studio. Oh, fantastic. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Because the UPS guy screwed this up. I'm going to see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or two, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.